स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. In today's video we'll talk all about the cap round process which is conducted by the CET cell of Maharashtra government. So it is conducted after the result declaration of MH Law CET both for 3 years and 5 years program. So stay tuned with me. Here we'll talk in detail about the cap round process. So what is the post CET process? So after cracking MH Law CET, the candidates are advised to adhere to the www.mahacet.org, the official website of CET cell. And why? Because here you will get various notifications, the government resolutions, and provide the link for cap round process. So on this website you have to download the information brochure for cap round process, which consists of the seat distribution of each college with respect to categories and also with respect to Maharashtra candidates and other state candidates, the overall seats in college, the facilities in college, the status of particular college with respect to NAC and Bar Council of India, the timetable of admission, the fee structure of college or particular department, and the reservation criteria for the physically challenged and son and daughter of ex and active servicemen. So guys, the first step after cracking MH Law CET, you have to go to this link and download the information brochure. Let's move further. Now what exactly the cap round is? So it is conducted by the CET cell, the conducting authority. It consists of 3 rounds: first round, second round and third round. So friends, with respect to stages we'll talk in next slide, and here we'll talk about what will exactly happen in round 1, 2 and 3. So after the result declaration and after the final merit, the first round starts, where candidate can choose the preferences of their colleges. Then the authority will release the seat allotment, will offer the seat allotment letter to the candidates. And friends, यहाँ अगर candidate अपनी seat freeze करना चाहता है, that means वो seat को accept करता है और fees pay करता है, तो उनका admission confirm हो गया. Okay, that means he do not want to participate in the second round, can freeze their seat. And if candidate chosen option float, that means he can also try in the second round for the better seat allotment. अब second round में कौन से candidates आएंगे? First, जिन्होंने float option select किया था in the first round, and second, freshly registered candidates. So first round candidate will come for the better seat allotment options. Now, if the candidate choosing the float option in first round, then he can't participate in the third round. And the last one is the candidates filling fresh option form as well as editing their options will be allotted seats in this round. So friends, third round में कौन कौन से candidates आएंगे? Who did not register before first round and second round of counseling. The one who did not get seat in first round and in second round as well. And the one who did not accept the seat in the first round and in the second round of counseling. Now let's move further. Here we'll talk about the stages of cap round. So the very first step is to register online. So you have to go through this website. So friends, यहाँ आपको official website पर जाना है और register करना है through CET roll number, your password and there are other details. So after filling the registration form, आपको वापस login करना है to choose the college preferences. So the second step is choice of filling and locking. So friends, यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा mistakes होती है because कुछ candidates यहाँ college fill कर लेते हैं लेकिन उन्हें lock करना भूल जाते हैं. So filling and locking ये दो process है second step के. Also include the freeze and float option. अब ये freeze और float options क्या है? Freeze option means if you are accepting the seat in a particular college और वहाँ आप fees pay कर रहे हो, आपने admission ले लिया है, दैट मीन्स आपने उसे फ्रीज कर दिया है. पर्टिकुलर कॉलेज को आप फ्रीज करोगे तो आप सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ काउंसलिंग में एंटर नहीं कर सकते. सपोज आपको फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ काउंसलिंग में ILS कॉलेज मिल गया है बट आपका प्रेफरेंस है GLC का, जस्ट द एग्जांपल. सो फर्स्ट राउंड में आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ ऑप्शन फ्लोट कर दोगे क्योंकि आपको ILS में नहीं लेना है, आपको इसके बेटरमेंट के लिए देखना है. सो आप GLC के लिए ट्राई करोगे. सो GLC में अगर सीट अवेलेबिलिटी होगी तो सेकेंड राउंड में इफ GLC इज पार्टिसिपेटिंग तो आपको यहाँ एडमिशन मिल सकता है. सो अल्टीमेटली आपका यहाँ से एडमिशन कैंसिल हो जाएगा और GLC में आप जा सकते हो. और अगर आप ILS में फीस पे कर देते हो, सीट एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो, दैट मीन्स आपने उसे फ्रीज कर दिया. सो इफ यू चूज फ्रीज तो आपका एडमिशन ILS में ही होगा. अगर आपने फ्लोट कर दिया और GLC में सीट बाकी है तो आप वहां एडमिशन ले सकते हो इन दी सेकेंड राउंड, लेकिन यहाँ आप थर्ड राउंड में नहीं जा सकते. That means if candidate who was allotted college other than their first preferences and do not want to participate in second round can freeze the option, can freeze their seats. And the float means the candidates are not satisfied with the allotted college, they can choose the float option. So जिन्होंने float option select किया है वो second round of counseling में जा सकते हैं, और in case they are not offered seats they can choose the previously allotted college. Now the next step is that is the seat allotment in online mode. So after the process of filling and locking, the conducting authority release the seat allotment in online mode. Now here you have to check through the official website and then you have to report online to the ARC, that means the admission reporting center, where you have to pay respective fees and you have to collect the receipt for it. And the last step, that is you have to report physically at the allotted institute for the verification of the documents. So friends, the procedure is very simple, आपको confuse नहीं होना है in the filling, locking, freeze and float options में. So I repeat once again, freeze means आपने seat accept कर ली है, और float means you are looking for the betterment of seat preferences. Now let's move further. And here are the important documents which you need to carry in the counseling process, and these are the very important, that is the admit card, MH Law CET scorecard, the application form of it, the class 10th and class 12th mark sheet, the graduation mark sheet and certificates for 3 years LLB program, the caste certificate, birth certificate, domicile certificate, school living certificate, PWD certificate and medical certificate, ID proof and photographs. So friends, this is all about the cap round प्रोसेस, जहां 5 सिंपल स्टेप है. फर्स्ट रजिस्टर, सेकंड कॉलेज प्रेफरेंस को चूज करना, थर्ड सीट अलॉटमेंट देखना, फोर्थ रिपोर्ट टू द ARC, and the fifth one report physically at the allotted institute. And the 2 difficult options, freeze means lock the seat and float means looking for better preferences. So friends, this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. So guys, prepare for the MH Law CET to enter into the top colleges like GLC, ILS, Dr. Ambedkar College, New Law College, Rizvi College, KCCL and the Shankar Rao Chauhan College. So guys, these all are the top colleges, and to enter into it you have to crack MH Law CET, and to crack it join Manwar online program where you will get books, mock tests, sectional and full course, and here you can also interact live with us. So call on this number or you can simply visit to the manwaredu.com/lawentrance, and this link I also mentioned in the description. So kindly check the description, and if you are Mumbai based then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys, all the best for your career. See you in the next video.